If you're looking for an e-bike in Thailand, you come to the right place. Here is at Bangkok e-bike. We provide all kind of solution for your e-bike needs. In front of me is one of the model that is being the most popular that we are selling here in Thailand. This is an export grade e-bicycle. It's made in Thailand and been exported through all the countries throughout the world in a different brand. Here at Bangkok e-bike, we presenting you with two models. We have 250 watt and 500 watt power motor rear wheel drive. That's depend on how fast that you want to go. In front of me is the 250 watt version. You can get to about 35 km per hour with this motor. And the battery itself is 13 amp hour lithium ion battery. With this pair together, you can get up to 50 km distance per charge. The good thing is that the battery itself is removable. You can take this battery to your room, to your condo, to your house. Apart from this convenience, we have all the accessories for you, like the lighting, the front lighting LED, the backlight LED, the screen that indicated how fast you are going and at what gear you are in. Also the bell, the throttle, and then also the shifter gear, This comes equipped with a 7-speed gear, so you can get around easily with the motor and also the physical gear. So you can have fun, you can either have your children, your wife, you can use this yourself. If you're tall, if you're short, the person as short as 120 centimeter or as high as 190 centimeter can get comfortable into this bike very easily. Now this bike is foldable too. You can fold it and put it in the back of your car, even a sedan or SUV or a truck. It's a perfect combination. With this fat tire 20 inches by 4 inches, it's actually a perfect situation for all kinds of road, like gravel, sand, beaches, mountain hill, dirt road, or even like a normal road, a pavement. The good thing is that we come with 2-year warranty. So on the battery and on the motor, on these two models, you get 2-year warranty for it. So it's bang for the buck. Nobody has this kind of long warranty in Thailand, but Bangkok e-bike and all of our product that carry in this range has it. So I encourage you to go and try this model. Welcome to our showroom. I hope to see you at Bangkok e-bike. Give us a call, send us a line message, and then we will see you very soon. Come and try our e-bicycle at our main showroom in Laxi, Bangkok. สำหรับวันนี้สวัสดีครับ Bangkok e-bike เรามีบริการรับติดตั้งมอเตอร์ไฟฟ้าบนจักรยานของคุณนะครับสนใจข้อมูลของสินค้าติดต่อสอบถามว่ารุ่นไหนเหมาะกับคุณของคุณติดได้หรือไม่ควรจะมีแบตเตอรี่ขนาดใหญ่เท่าไหนระยะทางของคุณต้องการไกลเท่าไหร่หรือความเร็วสูงสุดของคุณต้องการไปเร็วแค่ไหนติดต่อเรามาได้เลยนะครับที่ Bangkok e-bike ตามคอนแทคด้านล่างนี้เลยสำหรับวันนี้สวัสดีครับ